In the next few minutes, I'm going to talk about RNA and DNA. So these are the two main types of nucleic acids, DNA and RNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, so a bit of a mouthful. So deoxyribonucleic acid, and it's an important information carrying molecule. DNA is the genetic material in all living organisms, ranging all the way from single-cell bacteria to multicellular mammals. The DNA code tells the cell what to do and what proteins to make. The cell's entire genetic content is called its genome, and the study of genomes is called genomics. In eukaryotes, DNA is mainly found in the nucleus, but there is also some in chloroplasts and some in mitochondria. In prokaryotes, the DNA is not enclosed in a membranous envelope, so it's just loose in the cytoplasm. So RNA stands for ribonucleic acid, and it's similar to DNA. RNA is mostly involved in synthesizing proteins. Ribosomes are formed from RNA and proteins, and are the protein builders of the cell. DNA never leaves the nucleus, so messenger RNA, which is mRNA, transfers genetic information to the rest of the cell instead. mRNA moves out of the nucleus to transfer information to the ribosomes in order to make proteins. Nucleic acids are also in the nucleus, and they carry the cell's genetic code. They are the instructions for the function of the cell, and they're important for passing on information from generation to generation. DNA and RNA are made of monomers called nucleotides. And nucleotides join together to form polynucleotides. And polynucleotides make up nucleic acids such as DNA and RNA. So DNA and RNA are nucleic acids. Each nucleotide is formed of a pentose sugar, a nitrogen-containing organic base, and a phosphate group. A condensation reaction between two nucleotides forms a phosphodiester bond. And these condensation reactions happen between a sugar group on one nucleotide and a phosphate group on a different nucleotide. So I'm going to talk to you about the DNA nucleotide first. So it's made of a deoxyribose sugar, a phosphate group, and an organic base, which can be adenine, cytosine, guanine, or thymine. The components of an RNA nucleotide are a ribose sugar, a phosphate group, an organic base such as adenine, cytosine, guanine, and uracil. So I'll just run over the differences between DNA and RNA for you again. So DNA is a deoxyribose sugar, and it has a phosphate group, and the bases are C, G, A, or T, whereas RNA has a ribose sugar, and it has uracil instead of thymine. And that sums up what you need to know about DNA and RNA.